Oh, I see a naked kid. I mean, obviously this is as real as it gets. I'm not planning anything. I'm just walking and following my fucking map. See? Towel under the hat. It's too fucking hot, man. Cambodia, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Cambodia, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is why you need to manage everything. You need to be organized and manage everything. As I told you, food spoils so quickly. It's just too fucking hot. The last watermelon I bought also went bad after like one day. One fucking day. Alright, let me check my map again. I'm almost there.